So again, I was having problems with our misfire hesitation on this Mercury 115. The part of the hesitation was because of the leaking carburetor floats, which I believe I solved that problem by, well, at least temporarily install good used floats. Nevertheless, it felt like I'm having ignition problems. Well, recently I replaced all my all 6 ignition coils due to the fact that the coils that I had original on this motor had only 270 ohms resistance. So I ordered a set of brand new coils from eBay. When I got them, well, they had now about 1430 ohms resistance. So as an example, Mercury specifications are between 800 and 1100 ohms. So what to do? Now I just decided I'm gonna take those brand new coils back off that I bought on eBay, and I had a set of coils laying around from a parts motor. Those coils were actually OEM Mercury old coils, and I measured them, and they had 900 ohms resistance. Each coil, 900 to 910, give or take a few ohms. Doesn't really make much of a difference. So anyhow, I installed those used coils, and now the motor's running fine. Doesn't seem like it's misfiring. No cylinders are dropping out. The biggest problem I noticed with the new aftermarket coils was when it was idling, it was really shaking, and you could definitely hear the dropouts in the cylinders, which you can definitely hear, and it also spits out white smoke. Spark plugs overoiling, needless to say. Anyhow, so now I got this engine running for, I would say, probably 10-15 minutes at idle. Everybody knows those two-stroke motors don't like idling all that much, but yet it keeps running. It doesn't feel like it has, as if it has any more misfire. And so next thing is gonna be, I'm gonna take it back on the lake and water test it again and see what happens. I initiated a return on those aftermarket coils, and my take on this: don't waste your money on those aftermarket coils. I truly believe they do not work. It may be hit or miss. If you decide to get them, before you do the work in installing them, measure the secondary winding resistance. If they're off, if they're not within specs, send them right back, because it's Chinese aftermarket garbage, and it may work, may not work. But I'm just gonna resort to a good set of used OEM Mercury coils. Alright, that's what I wanted to share in this video. Thank you for watching, as always. Bye for now.